This is the pee pod, a simple, low-tech, low-maintenance, waterless urinal that fits inside a wall. Because the pee pod urinal is inside the wall, it takes up no space in the bathroom. You open the lid to use it, then close the lid. The front lid of the pee pod is removable for cleaning. The shape of the front lid and the body of the pee pod makes it splash-free. The pee pod uses no water, so it saves 4,000 gallons of flush water per person per year. Hidden under the screen at the bottom of the pee pod is a silicone one-way curtain valve. The one-way valve lets urine go down but does not let air and odors come up. Urine goes down through the one-way valve and into a pipe. The pipe leads to a urine storage container in the basement or outside in the ground. The pee pod and pipe are not connected to any other plumbing in the house, not to a water supply or to the house wastewater plumbing. The collected urine in the storage tank can be used by the homeowner in their own landscape and garden as fertilizer. Urine is high in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and micronutrients, all of which come from the food we ate. In a few towns in Vermont, the urine is taken to a central location where it gets pasteurized with heat to make it safe to use as a fertilizer on farms or commercial properties. Pasteurization takes 90 seconds at 176 degrees Fahrenheit or 80 degrees centigrade and costs about 1 penny per gallon. Pasteurization is not needed to use urine in one's own home, landscape, or garden. If it is not used as a fertilizer, it can be removed by a commercial septic hauler with a pump truck about once or twice a year depending on the size of the urine tank and the family. The hauler then takes the urine as septage to a local sewer plant. The pee pod is being developed by the Green Center as an affordable, practical way to reduce water pollution, to save potable water, and to produce a constant, free supply of nutrient-rich agricultural fertilizer. Nutrients in the urine can be reclaimed and used as agricultural fertilizer and can replace chemical fertilizers. The pee pod is specifically designed to be used in a home. Men prefer using urinals. Most men would like one at home. And most women would be happy if men did not use the toilet for peeing. It usually makes a mess when they do. Finally, a urinal that we can all live with, out of sight, space-saving, odorless, and splash-free. Finally, a urinal to protect the planet we live on.